Chit with KS.
I'm Kay.
And I'm S. And today we're gonna do another unboxing, I guess. So this is a tiny box from the orange box.
Freshly got.
Yeah, this is very exciting.
And this is a really popular item, and
there's always
really
out of
hard
stock
to get.
Yes, it's always out of stock in the website and also out of stock in the store. And my SA actually called me one day and said, do you want it? Because she knows I was looking for it.
Yeah.
And she said, if you want it, I can only hold for you 24 hours.
Or you can pay right now, then we can pay for you.
Yeah, so I just pay it right away and then just go pick it up when I want, because you can return if you don't want it. So I just pick it up and try, and I actually really like it. And this one retail for $26.90 plus tax in Canada. And can you guys guess what it is? It's just a tiny box. Let me just put this in, put aside. Oh yeah, she even give us some free samples of some perfume. If you buy something from Louis, you can always ask for free samples of some fragrance, their perfume, if you're not sure if you like it. Because it's like 100 ml for 300 something dollar Canadian, and I feel 100 ml for fragrance.
It's
like,
really hard to use it up.
Yeah,
even the sample lasts for a long time.
I know. And so, guess what is the mini palm spring? So this is the mini palm spring in the monogram version. I really like the monogram version more than the reverse monogram.
It's so cute. It's so tiny.
And it's quite soft actually. So the reason why I chose the monogram than the reverse monogram is because the reverse monogram was lighter color at the back, and it gets color transfer easily.
The whole back was the lighter
version. Lighter color.
If you have the Daphne, you'll be able to show the color difference.
So and I really like it. This is not the Vachetta leather, so it's not gonna patina. I don't have to worry. It's kind of more worry free. And let's look at this bag.
There's actually 3 ways to wear it.
Yeah, let me bring out the straps out. Here. So I guess for this bag, everyone is kind of confused sometimes. So this one actually is like in a what's version? Like that, like a diagonal, not diagonal, like horizontal. The LV is in a horizontal way, while the bottom one is in the vertical way. So this is how the authentic one looks like.
Yeah.
Da, da, da. It's so cute. I feel like if you have a young daughter or whatever, and they can use it too, it's so cute. So you can use this as a shoulder bag, a crossbody, and as a backpack. And the zip, the new version zip is actually not hidden. The old one, when it first came out back in 2016, is actually hidden. It's very hard to open and close. But the new one is actually easier to zip and unzip, because the old one was actually hidden like that. So like this one is very hard to open and close. So this was how the old one version is, because it's hidden in the flap.
You have to lift the flap.
Yes.
Then you unzip it. Oh, and the zipper is actually quite tight.
Yeah, I know, and it's very hard to use. I don't think anyone used this version because
small compartment. What can you put
you
in
can't
there?
even put anything in. So this is just for design, I guess, purposes.
But it looks really, really cute.
Yeah, I know. So let's put on the strap.
You're gonna go.
So my SA told me if you want to put for crossbody, you can actually put it like cross, right? In a cross version, so that it's not too low. If not, it's gonna hang too low in your butt area. So I don't like the hanging low version. I like it more snug and upper body, I guess.
Oh, you actually do both?
Yeah. So it's like
for crossbody?
No, like for backpack now.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna go with backpack first.
Yeah. How do you do backpack like that? No.
Yeah. Hitting this, and then when you wear it, it will actually cross on your back. There will always be a little cross, so you wear like this.
Oh, okay. Yes. We will do a mod shot later at the end of the video of all 3 ways of the crossbody, shoulder, and backpack. So let's just see what we can put it inside. So let's just try with water again. So it would be a perfect traveling bag, for a walk in the park, I guess, with your dog, or walk with the park with your kids. So this is just water, and yeah, it can barely fit in, but it fits. And maybe keys and card holder.
it's a little bit hard for your sunglasses case.
Card holder. I guess sunglasses, if you have the kind of thinner version one, it will fit. Oh, this one doesn't fit. Do I have a sunglasses inside? Nope.
No?
But I guess you can still fit the sunglasses inside.
Just, yeah, slightly.
Yeah. So actually it carry quite a punch in here. And okay, so we're gonna do a mod shot right away, and we'll show you how to do crossbody, etc. I guess.
So this is how we
do it. So we just put in the cross section. Oh, if you want it shorter, of course you can adjust here, but I already adjust to the lowest of the lowest. And if it's short like us, like 5'3" and below, you will have to do it this way. So when you hold it in your crossbody, just make sure this on the top is crossed.
Yeah.
And then, so you'll be hanging like that. So it's not too low. Okay? But if you're tall, of course, you don't have to worry about that. So if I'll show you if we actually didn't cross it, it's going to be
super long.
Yeah. If you just do it like how, like just the regular way without crossing it. I guess it's not that bad, but it's lower.
It's low, and I don't think it looks as cute as the cross.
Yeah, the cross one looks more slouchy, like I'm going to school, kind of like younger, I guess, because it's a very cute bag, right? It's like a small, cute, kiddish kind of bag. Some people don't like it because it looks too cute, like too kiddie, I guess. And now we're gonna show you the crossbody version. Can we do it like that? There you go. Can do it like shoulder, like here, or crossbody, like that. I guess if you want it longer, you can adjust it longer, right? So this one, how you adjust it longer is, this one is kind of a weird thing. A lot of people were confused about this, I guess, but you can actually watch other video. So this one is actually 2 straps. So basically it's just 2 straps. You just go to whichever hole you want. If you want the longer, you just put in the second hole and just attach together. Like that. So it's 2 things. Should we redo this part?
No, that's okay. Why have to redo?
No. Is it too short? Like that?
I think it's okay. Like if you wear something that's like less bulkier, then it will be fine.
It's cute. Okay.
You can also
put it in 1 string and just put it like a bum bag, I guess, like a fanny pack.
Put it in
looks
the
so
front.
cute too. And when
So
you go travel,
trendy.
looks so trendy. And when you go to travel, you can just easily get stuff. Money. Buy stuff. buy whatever souvenir.
And it's like it's more secure too.
Yeah, it's more secure too, and it looks kind of nice.
You can always see it, not like behind.
Exactly. Okay, I'm really happy with this bag. So if you guys have an essay in Louis Vuitton and you're going to get this, just tell them that, hey, you're looking for it. So when they have one in the store, they will just keep one for you.
They did say that you can just place an order, but the thing is just you have to pay for it up front.
Yeah.
When they arrive, you try on. If you don't like it, you can return on the spot.
Exactly. Bye-bye.